Let's start the very powerful practice Surya Namaskar. First step, inhale, exhale. Second, inhale, hands up, go back. Exhale, come forward, go down. Now inhale, left foot back. With inhalation only, hands up. Exhale, come down, come to the mountain pose. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now inhale, knee down. Exhale, chest, chin down. Hold the pose. Inhale, up into the cobra. Come up. Exhale into the mountain. Now with long inhalation, again right foot forward. Look forward, hands up, left knee down. Hold the pose few seconds. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, foot front, go down. Inhale, hands up and go back. With exhalation, namaste. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale.